In this video, we're talking about abrasives for your pipe sanding tool. Now, before you buy from our online store, double check to see if you can't perhaps get this locally at a better rate. The one that is in our store is the DeerFos, which is a South Korean brand. It's the unit number is PZ628 plus. The plus, I believe, is for double coating. It's obviously water resistant. It's made from zirconia grain, and it has a double coated polyester backing, which is what makes it waterproof. The business end is close coated and bonded with a resin over resin style. This one specifically is 24 grit, and we sell it in 50 meters or 165 feet. And it is used for our pipe sanding tool, which you can see on one of our other videos. Thanks for watching. Ciao.